Hi, I'm Sam. I'm the exercise specialist here at Anderson Chiropractic. Today we're going to be working on some ankle mobility and stability work just to get us all back into that warmer weather where we change out of our boots and our mucklucks into some flip-flops and sandals and comfy shoes. So why don't we get started and I'll show you some stuff you can do at home. Alright, so this is going to be a little demo on calf rolling. What you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a little foam roller. You can do both legs or one leg at one time. I like doing one leg at a time. Lift yourself up off the ground. You can walk yourself down. Go from the back of the knee here, just to the top of that ankle there. You'll feel that Achilles tendon getting a little tight. And you roll for about 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Anything that feels comfortable for you is okay. Feel any knots, you go over that a little bit more. Feels a little tender, give that a little extra time. Alright. Okay, so we're going to roll out our plantar fascia right now. That's that tissue that's underneath the bottom of your foot. So anybody with plantar fasciitis knows how painful that can be and uncomfortable. So all you're going to do is you're going to stand on top of my lacrosse ball here. Just roll up and down, side to side. Make little circles all in the arches of your feet. Again, anywhere that feels tight or you feel like you got a little extra knot right there, give that some extra attention. Roll for about 30 seconds to 2 minutes before switching to the other foot. Alright, so now we're going to do some band stretching and strengthening. Use any band that you have available. It doesn't have to be too tight or too loose. All that you make sure you do is wrap it around that foot. That way it has some strength to it so it doesn't come back at you and hit you in the face. You're going to tuck that other leg back in, and you can point and flex. Make sure there's some good tension in the band. Turn it inside, outside. Do about 8 to 10 reps of each direction. Another thing you can do is also make like ABCs with your toes. I'm going to try to spell out the letters. It's kind of fun. All right. And then switch to the other foot. Okay, this is a pretty good beginner's workout, so if you're new to anything like major exercise or even like some ankle rehab, you have a sprain or something, this is some good workouts for you. So what you can do is you can be up next to a wall, a shelf, staircase, whatever you can, so that way you can grab something in case you feel like yourself is losing some balance. So you're going to stand on one foot, lift up that knee about 90 degrees, let go if you feel like that, or just hang on. Keep your core engaged, your glutes engaged. Just hold for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and then you can relax. Then you can turn around and switch sides. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do a normal body weight squat. You can always add dumbbells, kettlebells, whatever weight you feel like you can. You can hold it in either hands or up here like a goblet. All you're going to do, have your feet about shoulder width apart. Put your hands here up against your chest or wherever that is for the weight. So I like to put them here. Bend your knees, push your butt back like you're going to sit into a chair. Make sure your knees don't track over your toes. So if I turn to the side here, imaginary chair, my knees are just over my toes. Come back up, tuck your tail, reset, and then back down. Alright, so next we're going to do some calf raises. Again, you can do this at home. You don't need to have a fancy box. All you need to do is use your staircase. So you're going to stand on top of your steps. Get that edge just like on the arches of your feet. All you're going to do, again, you can hold some weights if you'd like. Get up on your tiptoes. Exhale, relax, come down. Try to get the weight into your heels a little bit so you feel a stretch in the back of your calves. Inhale again and come back up. And back down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play catch while I stand on one leg. This is really good for your knees as well as your ankles. So I'm going to stand here. Alex is going to toss me a ball from any direction. Try to stay stable. Catch the ball. You can reset, take your time. It doesn't have to be a race. You want to keep that glute and your core engaged the whole time. And do this for about 10 throws and you can switch legs. Next we're going to do some advanced exercises, so if you feel like challenging yourself, some of these are going to be pretty good for you. So first we're going to do some pistol squats. It's a one-legged squat and I'm going to have you do it in a mini fashion. So you're going to pick one leg up off the ground, get it to about 45 degrees. Again, you can hold weights at your side or a goblet here. I like to just do body weight. You're going to squat down to about 45 degrees and push yourself back up through that heel. Keep that core engaged and your glutes squeezed. And back up, okay? All right, last thing we're gonna do is some squat jumps. So just like before, once you get down to that base of your squat here, you're gonna propel yourself up, land soft on your toes, come back down. You do about 6 to 8 of those and call it a day. All right, so if you found those fun and interesting or want to find some more exercises to challenge yourself or just learn more about fitness as a whole, you can schedule a consultation with me by calling the front desk, or you can always shoot me an email at sam.abcairo@gmail.com. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks.